Bro, una pregunta. ¿Has visto mi flip phone?
Sorry, what?
Have you seen my flip phone?
A flip phone? No, I have not seen a flip phone. Like, who uses a flip phone?
Can I use your phone?
I mean, sure. What are you gonna use it for?
Necesito llamarme. I need to.
Oh, really? I mean, yeah, sure.
What's that? Hold on. I think I hear it.
Bro,
I don't see it.
Look, let me see it, bro. What are you
I don't see it. It's my phone.
What the hell are you doing, man? Come on. I think it's over there. Let me see it. It's right over there. Wait, what?
Shh.
C'est le temps de l'amour, le temps des copains et de l'aventure. Quand le temps va et vient, on ne pense à rien malgré ses blessures. Car le temps de l'amour, c'est long et c'est court, ça dure toujours, on s'en souvient. On se dit qu'à 20 ans, on est les rois du monde et qu'éternellement, il y aura dans nos yeux tout le ciel bleu. C'est le temps de l'amour, le temps des copains et de l'aventure. On s'en souvient, on s'en souvient.
I'm sorry I got you in all of this.
Man, it's okay, really. Like, don't worry about it. We tried our best, you know? Like,
Yeah, I mean, at least we tried.
I know the flip phone meant a lot to you, you know? But it's whatever.
By the way, can I maybe get your phone number?
I mean, yeah, sure. Like, I don't know how you're gonna go about that, but I can, like, give you can put your phone number and then